Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss new syllabus mathematics workbook 1 7th edition revision paper B1 which exists on page number 77. So you can see here paper B1. Solve question number 1. Solve each of the following equation. So question number 1 you can see here that is A part. Solve, that is 19 minus 6x is equal to 21 minus 9x. So what does it mean by the solve? Solve mean you have to find the value of variable which exists here, that is x we have. So what should you do? So variable term should be shifted at one side and constant should be another side. So after shifting that is 9x, so you will get 21 minus 19 is equal to 2, that is 3x. So we need the value of x, that is 2 by 3. So that is your required result. Similarly in B case 2 whole 1 by 3 x is equal to 14. So 3 2 are 6 7 x by 3. So by using cross multiplication 14 multiplied by 3, because we have to find the value of x, that is 14 multiplied by 3 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6. So after simplification the value of x is 6. Similarly coming to the C part, in C portion 13 minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 3x plus 8 minus minus 8x. Sorry, that is. So once again by the same methodology the variable should be shifted at one side and constant should be shifted at another side. So our whole term should be shifted, so sign should be changed. Minus 8 it become positive 8. So you should be very much careful that now you take the x, the sign should be written in front of each term, that is minus 3x. So after simplification you will get what you will get, that is equal to minus 3x plus 8x plus 13 minus 10 minus 8 is equal to 0. So after simplification 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x, so the value of x is 5 by 2, and you are well familiar that how can we do, because in sign of equality negative sign should be shifted to another side, so sign should be changed here, it become positive, and multiplication should be changed by division, so the value of x is 5 by 2. Now coming to the D portion, the value of t, how can we solve? Actually x minus 3 divided by 4 minus 2x minus 5 divided by is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, we have to solve, we have to find the its LCM, that is 4 is LCM. So x minus 3 minus 2 into 2x minus 5, by taking LCM you will get this one. So after simplification you will get x minus 3 minus 4x plus 10 is equal to 4 by 4 by using cross multiplication. So it will give you 1. So it means after addition subtraction you will get this, because the minus 3 4x and x, so it will give you different result. Similarly the plus 10 and minus 10 you will get this. So similarly 1 minus 7 you will get 3x. So the value is greater value sign should be minus 3x. The value of x is minus 6 divided by minus 3, you will get plus 2, because minus minus will be cancelled. So that is your required result. Similarly coming to the question number 2, question number 2. In question number 2 A part, first, that is ax is equal to 15 minus 3x, that is question number, solve the each of the following inequalities, that is A part. Inequalities 3x less than 20, so we need the value of x, so it should be divided like this, and the value is x. After division you can get 6.6. so we have to draw on a number line. You can see here the number line is like this, that is your number line. Is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8. So 6.6. X less than 6.6. X less than 6.6. It means here is 5, that is 6.6 up to here. So that is your 6. It means X is less, so starting from here, so less than 6.6. So the arrow marcation will be drawn like this. So that is your mean position, that is 0. Similarly another one is B portion, that is in B part you can see that is 2x greater or equal to minus 51. So the value of x is minus 51 divided by 2. So the value of x divided by 51, you will get minus 25.5. So how can we draw this equation? It means if we draw the graph on number line like as you can see here, that one is 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 5 10 15 20 25 30 because minus. Similarly 1 2 3 4 5, that is 5 positive 10 positive 15 20 25 and then 30. So it means you have to draw the number line. How can you draw the number line? So what does that mean? It means x greater or equal to minus 25.5. Where is the 25 minus? That is 20 25 20.5. So that is, so it means greater or equal to minus 25. So it means greater mean the will be sign, because here is the greater one, and if we go on left hand side you will get the smaller one. So that is your number line. Similarly in question number 3, A part, 3x less than 43 divided by 3. So the value of x is 14.3. And B part, 13x greater than 49 divided by 13. So the value of x is 3.7. So only in question number 3 we have to find in a given satisfy the inequalities in the given equation. So we have satisfied, we have find the value of x, so to satisfy this equation. Similarly in question number 4, in question number 4 in A part we have been asked that given that ax is equal to 15 minus, so ax is equal to 15 minus 3x. Find the value of x. We have to find the value of x if the value of a is equal to 4. So therefore putting the values in given equation we have to find the value of x. So if we find the value of x, so x is equal to 15 minus 3x divided by a. So putting the values 15 minus 3 x, we have to find the value of x. So it means we have to first we have two x's, so we have to shift here and take the common to make the single x. Now in given equation, that is ax is equal to 15 minus 3x, it should be shifted here, that is ax plus 3x 15x taking as common a plus 3. Now putting the values of a, we have to find the value of x. Now the value of a being given to us, that is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 15. So the value of x is 15 divided by minus 1, you will get minus 15 is your once again you can check carefully, that is the value of whenever you have been given minus 3x. Okay, so after shifting at one side you can see it become positive. You take common x a plus and minus 1, So minus 1 minus 15. So minus 15 is the is your required result, because after shifting at one side you will get the exact result. So I think so that once again you should be careful about it. Whether you have done any mistake, then it will create a big problem for you. So when you shifted this, minus 3x is shifted to the plus, so take common plus. So the value of a is 4. Why I have put here minus 4? Because the given value is 4. No need to put here minus, so it should be positive. So it will be 7. So x is equal to 15 divided by 7. So here is your result is 15 by 7. So 15 by 7 is your required result. Now coming to the question number second part of the fourth question. Second portion, that is ax is equal to, in second portion the ax is equal to 15 minus 3x. Now we have to find the value of a if x is equal to 4. By the same equation you can take, we have to find the value of a. So a is equal to 15 minus 3x divided by x. So putting the values you have here, x value is 4, so you should put here 4. So by after simplification you will get 15 minus 12 divided by 4, you will get 3 by 4 is your required result. Similarly in B portion, if 8p minus 9q if 8p minus 9q is equal to 7q plus 3p. So we have to find what? We have to find 2p divided by 5q. We have to find the value of this. First of all, pp should be shifted at one side and qq will be shifted at one side. So you will get 8p minus 7q. P will be shifted here, minus 3p is equal to 7q plus 9q. So you will get the value 16q, and here you will get 5p. You need the value of p. By using cross multiplication you can write as p divided by q and 16 divided by 5. So now you need the value of 2 by 5. So multiplying both sides, 2 by 5, multiplying both sides 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So you will get 2p, 5q, 16 2s are 32, 25. So 32 divided by 25 is your required result. Or you divide this, you can take the whole of 1 whole 7 by 25, but up to here it is also okay, no problem, because no need to write in a whole number. So that is your. Now question number 5. When the sum of 2a and 15 is divided by 7, the result is 11. Find the value of a. Okay, you can see the given condition. After reading the statement, you have come to this conclusion. How can you write? That is 5a part. That is question number 5. That is 2a plus 15 divided by 7 is equal to 11. Using cross multiplication, you will get 1 multiplied by 7. So 7 minus 15, 2a. So the value of a is minus. You will get, that is 11 sevens are this one, 11 77 minus 15, you will get 62. Greater value sign should be used. So the value of a is 62 divided by 2, 31 is the value of a. So the value of a is 31. So that is your required result. Similarly in B portion, the find the two consecutive even numbers such that the sum of the larger number and 4 times the smaller number is 72. Okay, once again use the given conditions. That is, let a smaller even number, let smaller even number that is equal to x, and larger number is x plus 2. Second even number, that is your smaller first even number, second second even number, that is x plus 2. So by given condition, if you read the statement, by given condition he says that the sum, so x plus 2 then plus 4 times the number plus 4x is equal to 72. So if you read the statement carefully, that the sum of the larger number 4 times the smaller number, okay, that is the second number one is, that is first, and 4 times the number. So you have to write as, that is two consecutive numbers such that the sum of larger number and 4 times the smaller number. Okay, 4 times the smaller number, so larger number, that is we have written here, that is second one is larger, then again 4 times. So this is your given condition. How can we find the number? So after simplification you will get 72, that is you will get 5x and plus 2. So 5x is equal to 72 minus 2, 70, 5x. So the value of x is 70 divided by 5. So the value of x is equal to 14. So 14 is your first number. So the second number will be, therefore we know that x plus 2 will be the second number. So x is here, x is 14 plus 2, you will get 16. So one number is 14, second number is 16. Therefore answer is 14 comma 16 is your two consecutive even numbers, that is 14 16 are two consecutive even numbers. So that is the required result. Similarly, the C part, if you read the statement carefully once again, in C part, the sum of the ages of Mr. Lin and his son Ethan is 38 years. In 3 years time Mr. Lin will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Okay, let the age of son, suppose we say in 3 year times. In C portion you can say that the we'll take another marker because we have a shortage of ink. That is, let the age of son, let age of son is equal to x, and the father is age of we say father, or we say that is Mr. Lin. So that is 3 times 3x, but in 3 years time, present time, so it means plus 3, both you should add here, plus 3 because it is the given condition. So therefore you can write as the sum is equal to 38. So sum of their ages, that is x plus 3 plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 38 years. So is equal to 38. So you will get 6 because, and due to homogeneity, x will be added. So you will get 4x. So 38 minus 6 is equal to 32, that is your 4x. So the value of x is, so the value of x is 8. So the value of x is 8. So the son age will be, so the son age you have written above, that is son age is equal to x plus 3. So that's why 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 years. So the son age is 11 years, and the father, therefore father age father's age will be equal to 3x plus 3, so you will get 3 into x. X is 8 plus 3, so you will get 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27, so your result is 27 years old. So that is your age of father. So you have done a critical work here. Okay, so that is your 27 years. So that is your required result. Father age is 27 years while son age is 11 years. Similarly, coming to the second last question, that is question number 6. On the sheet of a graph paper using scale 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on board, draw the graph of y is equal to. So question number 6. Given that y is equal to half x minus 2. So by taking LCM, you will get that is another equation is, we have given two equation. One equation is y is equal to this one, and the second equation is this one equation, and second equation is y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. So that is your second equation. So you have to draw the graph both the equations where the value of x is given for both the cases, that is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have to make the table like this, because you have a table, and make the graph just like as that is we have to make a big table. That is one is equation you should use here, that is the value of x is here, that is x minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have here first equation, that is y is equal to, the value of y is you have been given that the value of y is equal to x by 2 minus 2, and another y value is y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. So if you put the value of x in this equation, you will get the value of y. For example, if I put here, you can see if I put we have equation that is y, for example, to clear you, that is y is equal to x by 2 minus 2. If I put x is equal to minus 4 by 2 minus 2, so the value of y is 2 2s are 4. You will get what, that is minus 2 minus 2, you will get minus 4. So it means if you put minus 4, you will get here minus 4 result, you see. So the given equation, after solving, after putting the value of x, you will get the value of y. Similarly, I have done this like as, that is if I put minus 3, we will get minus 3.5. Similarly, if I put minus 2, you will get minus 3, then minus 2.5. So similarly, if I put a 0 here, you will get minus 2. Similarly, minus 1.5 and minus 1 and minus 0.5, and similarly if I put 4, you will get 0 and 0.5, and similarly 6, 1. Similarly, when I put, I will get minus 7, minus 5, because we have another separate equation that is minus 1, 1 and 3 and 0, you will get 5, and similarly 7, 9, 11 and 13. So after using these two equations, I have done this table. So after this, we have to draw a simple graph by using these two given values. For example, -4, the value is y is -4 again. So like this we can draw a simple. How can we draw? Very simple methodology, because you are well familiar that how can you draw. You should memorize all these values. For example, I have a little bit memorized these values. For example, this one and this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that is your 0 point. You need the maximum value, that is 13 positive and -7 is negative. So 13 is positive, that is one maximum value 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I must use this one, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So I can use here like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8, and this one is your 8 9 10, then 11 12, and that is your you have to draw just like 10 11 12 13, and that is your 14. Similarly, in minus, okay, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, -1 -2 -3. Similarly, you have to see the values in your graph. That is how much you need the maximum and minimum value. So I need maximum value 13, so I take draw a lengthy line as compared to this, but on scale, on proper graph paper, it will be very much easy. 6 7 8 9. So for example, the value of x, that is your x-axis, that is your y-axis, that is your x-axis. If you use that is your, if you use now you can find the other points, just like you can see here. Now you can see, now further points are, that is given by, with the help of table we have made this. Similarly, the other line is, one line is this, you can join this one, you can see like this. Similarly, when we have another equation, that is 0, you will get 5, 0 you will get 5, 0 you will get 5, up to 5 positive, that is. Similarly, 1 you will get 3, 1 you will get 3, this 1 and 3. So 1 point for the second line, and 2 for 1, 2 for 1, that is when you have 2 value you will get 1, 2 and 1 up to here, that is. Similarly, 3 for -1, 3 for -1, 3 for -1, that is your -1, and 4 for -3, 3 for -1, 4 for -3, 4 for -3 you will get this -3, this point, and 5 for -5, 5 for -5, that is, you can see here, and 6 for -7, 6 for -7, 6 for -7, 6 for -7. So by joining these two lines, this one, this, you will get up to here. Now similarly, when you have -1, you have 7. -1, this one is your -1, you have 7. One point is here, this point like this. Similarly, when you have -2, you will get 9. -2, you will get 9. And -3, you will get 11. This one, and 6, and when you use -4, you will get 13. -4, you will get 13. That is, so it means that is your line graph as by the given equations. So this is your question number 6. With the help of these values, we can draw the graph you can see here. Now similarly, last question is question number 7. In question number 7, study the following number pattern, then write down the next two terms. That is 1, 2, 4, 8, next two terms. So similarly, second one is 69, 138, 276, 552, next two terms. So it is clear from this we can find the difference. That is, here difference 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So it means only just we have to multiplying by 2. Similarly, here also multiplying by 2, because 69 multiplied by 2 you will get this, multiply by 2 you will get this, multiply by 2 you will get this. 552 multiply with 2 you will get 1104. Then again multiply by 2 you will get 2208. So that is your required result. So we have completed the question 7, and with by the grace of God we have completed workbook 1 revision paper B1, which exists on page number 77. I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.